Good morning, children. Let's talk about addition and subtraction. Addition means putting the things together. When we put them together, the number we move in the forward direction, that we move to forward counting. Subtraction means taking away the things and we go back in backward counting. Let's talk about number 15 plus 0. What you will write here? 15. When we add a number with 0, the answer will remain same. Means any number plus 0 is the same number. If I write here 315, the sum will be 315. Means 315 plus 0 is 315. Any number plus 0 is same number. Next is any number plus 1 is its successor. If I write 15 plus 1 is equal to 16, which is its successor. Third property is 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. This means we can change the order of numbers in addition. 36 plus 27 is same as 27 plus 36. Now properties of subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. 15 minus 0 is 15. 315 minus 0 is 315. Any number minus 0 is equal to same number. If we are not taking away any number, we will get the same number. Any number minus 1 gives its predecessor. 24 minus 1 is equal to 23. 2 minus 3, can we subtract? No. But 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, they are not equal. We cannot change the order of numbers in subtraction. 36 minus 27, we can write here 9. But 27 minus 36 is not possible. So, this 36 minus 27 is not equal to 27 minus 36. We cannot change the order of numbers in subtraction. Now, this is horizontal. We will today add horizontally. Now, what we are adding here? 1/10. We are adding 1/10. How many tens are there in this number? Leave ones and rest are tens. So there are 15 tens in 156. 15 tens plus 1 10 is 16 tens. And this ones place will come down as it is. In this second part, we are adding 2 tens. So there are 15 tens plus 2 tens becomes 15 plus 2, 17. Take out your 2 fingers and move forward after 15. 16 and 17. Ones place will come as it is. 156 plus 30 is 3 tens. Ones place is 0. So we will add only tens place to this tens place, that is 15. 15 plus 3 is 16, 17 and 18. 18 tens and 6 ones will come as it is. 15 tens plus 4 tens is 19 tens and this 6 ones will come as it is. 156 plus 50 means 5 tens plus 15 tens. Take out your 5 fingers Count after 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Write here 20 tens and 6 ones. So number becomes 206. 156 plus 60, that is 6 tens. 15 tens plus 6 tens is, take out, move forward after 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 6 ones. 156 plus 60 is 216. 156 plus 70, 15 plus 7 tens, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 tens and 6 ones. 15 tens plus 8 tens, 23 tens plus 6 ones becomes 236. 156 plus 90 is 15 plus 9, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 tens and 6 ones. Here 156 plus 100. We are adding 100. So we'll take this 100. 100 plus 100 becomes 200. And this 56 will come down as it is 5 and 6. 156 plus 100 is 256. 156 plus 200. 100 plus 200 becomes 300. 56 will come as it is. So 156 plus 200 is 356. 156 plus 300. 100 plus 300 is 400. 56 will come down as it is. 100 plus 400 is 500. 56 will come as it is. 100 plus 500 is 600. 56 will come as it is. Now we'll subtract horizontally. Subtraction means backward counting. We have 10 we are subtracting from 372. How many tens are here? Leave ones and rest are tens. So there are 37 tens in 372. 37 minus 1 is 36. Backward counting after 37 is 36. And one's place will come as it is. 372 minus 20. 37 minus 2 tens. Take out your 2 fingers. Backward counting after 37. 36. 35. This 2 will come as it is. 372 minus 30. 37 minus 3 tens. Backward counting after 37. 36. 35. 34. This 2 will come as it is. 372 minus 40. 37 tens minus 4 tens is backward counting after 37. 4 steps is 36, 35, 34, 33. 37 minus 5 tens will become 322. 372 minus 60. 37 minus 6 is 31 and this 2 will come as it is. Now 37 minus 7 tens is 30 and this 2 will come as it is. 37 minus 8. Take out your 8 fingers out. Backward counting after 37. 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, and 2 will come as it is. 37 minus 9, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, and this 2 will come here. Now this is 300 and this is minus 100. 372 minus 100 is 3 minus 1 is 2, and this 72 will come as it is. 300 minus 200 is 100. This 72 will come as it is. 300 minus 300, this will be 0, and 72 will come as it is. This will be read as 72. 372 minus 300 is 72. Now, this is addition in vertical columns. Means we have learned places ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We have to place the digit places first and then place the digits at correct places. This number is 1932. So this 1 will come in the thousands place, 9 will come in the hundreds place, 3 will come in the tens place, and 2 will come in the ones place. Next number is 2057. We have to place the digit at correct places. Now 2 plus 7, which is a smaller number, 2. Take out your 2 fingers and move forward after 7. 8, 9. So we'll write here 9. 3 plus 5, which is a smaller number, 3. Take out your 3 fingers out and count after 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 plus 0 is same, we have just read, and 1 plus 2 is 3. While writing in vertical columns, we have to leave this line for carryover, or in subtraction we have to leave this line for borrowing. Must remember to leave this place empty for carryovers and borrowing. In this part, 9 plus 9. Take out your 9 fingers out, and after 9 you will get 18. 8, and this carryover will go to tens place. Remember to encircle the carryovers. Then 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7. 800 plus 300 is 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 1. Then this carryover 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 3819 plus 2359 is 6178. This is subtraction in vertical column. 1000, 100, tens, ones. The places are must on the top, and then leave one line for borrowing in subtraction. 5820 minus 355. This is 0 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No. We have to borrow from the next place. We will borrow from 2. This will become 1. And this 110 will come to 1's place. 110 plus 0 is 10. Take out your 5 fingers out and backward counting after 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5 will come here. 1 minus 5, not possible. Borrow from 8. 8 will become 7, and this 1 will become 11. This is 100 is taken. 100 is taken from 10 hundreds place, and this is 100 is 10 tensa. So 10 tensa plus 1 is 11 tensa. 11 minus 5. Take out your 5 fingers out and backward counting after 11 is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 7 minus 3. Take out your 3 fingers out. Backward counting after 7. 6, 5, 4. And this 5 will come as it is. Next number we have 5006 minus 7. 7 we will take care, we have to write 7 in the ones place. Must take care the places while writing the digits. They must be placed at correct places. As you all live in your houses, in your homes, number also live in their own places. Place them properly at correct places. 6 minus 7 is not possible. So we will borrow from the next number. Oh, this is already 0. How can we borrow from 0? We have to move further. This is again 0. We have to move further. This is now thousands place. We borrow. This will become 4. And 1000 is given to hundreds place. 1000 means this is 10. 10 will give this 1 to 100 to tens place. This will be 10 and this will be 9. 100 we have 9 and this 10 will give 110 to ones place. This will be 9 and this will be 10. Now 10 plus 6 become 16. 16 minus 7. Take out your 7 fingers out and backward counting after 16. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. This 9 will come down. This 9 will come down and this 4 will come down. So number becomes 4999. You will be doing question 1, 2 and 5 in your notebook. Submit me tomorrow by 5 p.m.